motocross to adventure, cuisine, and culture. Tara na sa Lanao del Norte kung saan kayo ang pinaka-importante. Napiya katipita dabarkads na nata diri sa Mighty Cave. It's a million years worth in the making using acid rain and limestone. Tara, ali na ta! Let's put the eat in Eat Bulaga. Of course, we'll start with pipia para na manok, beef rendang, and of course, pipia para na udang. And last but not the least, we have the rice, kuning. Kaon na ta! Mali pa yung pag-abot sa Tinago Falls in Linamon, Lanao del Norte. You have to take 500 steps to get there, guys, but each step you take is absolutely worth it. When you take a dip into its pristine waters and when you witness the breathtaking nature, it's a grandiose beauty to behold. The Pagana Maranao is a traditional ceremony reserved for only our most esteemed guests. Kung adrenaline rush ang hanap nyo, tara na sa motocross capital of the Philippines. We're here at Cathedral Falls of Kapatagan, Lanao del Norte, and if you just take a look at the rock formations, you'll actually notice that the rock formations kind of look like a piano's pipes in a cathedral. I am Annabelle May Tate McDonald, your Miss Millennial Lanao del Norte 2019. Tara na sa aking probinsya kung saan mag-iwan ito ng ngiti sa iyong labi at kayo'y magiging happy. Ali na sa Lanao del Norte, the land of beauty and bounty.